Kopiwosian, welcome. Wanakam, Sastrikal, Tacha, How, and Selamat Datang. Thank you again for joining us on another episode of where we make cooking simple and enjoyable for you. Before we start, let me introduce you to my little helper, Jasmine Ruth. Jasmine, say hello to everyone.
Hi everyone.
Okay. Jasmine is going to help me today. We're going to show you that we can cook together as father and daughter and make a good time, a recreational time, cooking and having a good time. So let's get to the ingredients. 2 spoons of butter, 6 eggs, onion, ginger, curry leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, 2 chicken breasts, 3 cups of basmati rice, Nasi Briyani paste, 4 cups of water, carrot and tomato, Japanese cucumber, as well as tomato for garnishing. So now, before we start with the Nasi Briyani, we gotta know hard-boiled eggs are Nasi Briyani's best friend. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare the eggs first. And we're gonna use the Nexa pressure cooker. As we mentioned in our last series, as we always do, cooking becomes simpler, more fun when you have proper gadgets to go with you. And I found this gadget that helped me so much in my interest of learning how to cook. And I'm going to try to share this with you so that you may have this interest as well. So Jasmine, come on, let's take the cloth. So this, you see, my friends, is a damp cloth. We're going to put it in here. And Jasmine is going to help me arrange the eggs inside. Yes, slowly. Now, the traditional way is to fill it up with water, put it over the stove and wait for it to get hard, and that's all wasting time. Now we just have to set this guy here to 4 minutes of high pressure, and in 4 minutes we will have hard-boiled egg with no water. Alright folks, so our egg is ready after 4 minutes. Let's check it out. Now we got our egg prepared. Let's start preparing our Nasi Briyani. First, we will take the butter. We're going to put the butter in. Okay. Now, Jasmine, you can do it already, okay? You can just... So Jasmine is going to help me just spread the butter. And next we're going to close this guy up. We're going to stop and we're going to go to 7 minutes of high pressure. And that's all it takes to have our Nasi Briyani ready. Alright guys, so our 7 minutes is up. We're going to release the pressure first. Jasmine, you want to do it?
Nope.
No? Smells good. Yeah.
Thank you everyone for joining us.
We hope to see you soon.
We hope to see you soon.
Okay, I think you have to do it nicely now, please. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you everyone for joining.
Put your hand up. Thank you everyone for joining.
Thank you everyone for joining.
Hope to see you soon. Look at the camera.
Hope to see you soon.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you have any more inquiries about the pressure cooker, please contact the number down below the screen. Just drop us a WhatsApp and we'll be more than happy to help you out. We hope you'll enjoy this new recipe and we hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.